Hey there, it's Brittany and it's one of my favorite days of the month. We have Sam's Bead Box. This one's called Berries and Wine. June is a lovely time of year in Northern California's Napa Valley. Sunshine fills the long summer days. A bounty of fresh fruit begins to ripen and visitors come from all around the world to kick off the region's high season. As we reminisce about our favorite June memories, Sam recalls an afternoon wine tasting with friends at Domaine Caneros, surrounded by a gorgeous Napa vineyard. Rachel remembers the excitement of choosing the family's berries for the week at the farmer's market, and Shira thinks fondly of fabulous cherry pie and cold limeades, which that sounds awesome, at the Cherry Festival every June. Inspired by these summer memories, the June box is rich with wine and berry tones. Our wine flight includes Cabernet Reds, Rosé Pinks, and sparkling champagne, paired with delectable garnet and amethyst. Favorites include the golden faceted coins, grape cluster focal, and filigree pendant. As we usher in the start of the summer, we hope that the June box brings to mind sweet memories with family and friends. We hope you'll share what you make in our Gem Chat group. They also include a list of ingredients. All of the packaging for Sam's Bead Box is recyclable. And if you want to subscribe, you can save $5 off your first box by using coupon code Turquoise at the link in the description of this video. And that's an affiliate code, and it helps my channel. First, I'm seeing these check glass Druck Browns, garnet luster, 6mm, 12.5 grams. It's about 45 pieces. These are gorgeous. Love, love, love that luster. And that color, it really does look like garnets. I really think so. Check glass pear brio, yellow opal Celsian, and purple amethyst bronze, 12 by 15.5mm 4-piece set. I don't think we've ever gotten this color before. I think we've gotten these before, but these are really gorgeous. I love those. Reminds me of citrine almost. And that's my gritstone. Check glass long diamond, garnet, 7 by 24mm, 6-piece set. Beautiful. Love those. Those are so beautiful. I love that color. Antique brass collection made in Greece, flower link, 15 by 21mm 2-piece set, and a filigree coin pendant, 31mm. These are gorgeous. I kind of want to patina this already. That's beautiful. Looks like something gorgeous you'd see that's like on a detailed iron gate somewhere. And then beautiful little links. Those are super cute. And it's not just like a motif we've seen before. Sometimes these things can get a little repetitive, but those are really pretty. Ooh, check glass blooming rose focal. Color varies, 17.5mm, 14.5mm thick, 1 piece. I got a beautiful gold one. Oh my gosh, that is one chonky bead. Gorgeous. I love it. I kind of want this to be like a closure on a bracelet or something. You know me and turning beads into bracelet closures. Check glass daisy heart, color varies, 15 by 17mm 3-piece set. These are awesome. These are so beautiful. I love them. And I'm not usually this isn't usually my color, but this purple is not the check purple that I don't like. Sometimes even that check purple that I don't like makes it onto a check bead that I do like, but this is a gorgeous like grapey color, and I really, really love the matte. And I really, really love the gold imprint of the flower. Those are really pretty beads. I love those. Check glass grape pendant, color varies, 23 by 34mm. Wow, I have a ton of grape check glass beads, but nothing this big. Look at that sucker. He's huge. I love it. Check glass hibiscus flower table cut red crystal bronze, 22mm 1 piece. Gorgeous. I like want to hang this above a big turquoise pendant or a skull or something. Like, it wouldn't be something I wanted to do with this box with each other, but I'm gonna set that aside and use it on a different project because it's so clear and so beautiful. Check glass fire polished faceted long drop, purple opal bronze, 8.5 by 20mm 4-piece set. Beautiful. It's very good purple too. Then we have our strands. Gosh, these are beautiful. The amethyst and garnet, that's a really neat mix. checkerboard faceted coin, 6.5 millimeter, 7.5 inch strand. That's so cool. So every 2 beads it changes. So we have 2 amethyst, 2 garnet. These are so cool. That is such a neat idea. Obviously, I don't think I'd probably use these together, but I like it. I like the thought process. And I was worried about the, like, because I saw a spoiler on YouTube, because it's almost impossible if you're subscribed to Sam's Beatbox to not see at least a picture of everything. And I was worried because I'm not a huge fan of this color palette, but I love everything individually, and that makes up for it. Not that there's anything wrong with the color palette. I just didn't get it until I kind of read the description in the box. Okay, check glass fire polish rondelle, light amethyst lilac mix, 3 by 5 millimeter, 50-piece strand. Beautiful, beautiful. Those are really lovely. I love that there are 2 purples in every bead. Tiger Eye smooth round purple and fuchsia mix, dyed, 10.5 millimeters, 10 pieces. These look like galaxy beads. Gosh, those are gorgeous. I don't think I've ever, like, I admire these every time I see them, but I've never picked them up and like purchased them from anywhere. So I'm glad that I got a little sample. Obviously I want to do a bracelet with those because I want to look at them all day, right? I don't know if that's something I'm going to do in this video. Check glass hibiscus Celsian, I hope that's how you say it, 12 millimeter, 8-piece strand. This is like a champagne color. Very pretty. Fire polish round check glass. Again, that Celsian color, 4 millimeter, 40-piece strand. Good spacers. I love how shiny those are. Check glass fancy facet coin. Celsian, about, it's a 10-piece strand, 9.5 millimeters. Those are cool. I love those. I don't have anything like that. Check glass rose round, pink golden luster, 5.5 millimeter, 25-piece strand. These are really neat, little tiny rose balls. And it's a really pretty color, and these actually go very well with that color in person. I don't know if it's picking it up on camera, but it's like a purpley pink. I love that. Check glass fire polish rondelle fuchsia crystal mix, 6 by 8 millimeter, 10-piece strand. These are very pretty. Now there are two different beads on here. So this one's like fuchsia and crystal mixed together, and then this one's just fuchsia. It's very beautiful. So we got some actual garnets. So we have garnet pebble chips, 4 to 8 millimeters, a 10-inch strand. Lovely. Check glass fire polish drop Cabernet red silk luster, 6 by 8 millimeter, 12-piece strand. Those are very interesting. A lot of luster on this, so you can't really see the faceting because the luster is kind of thick, but I like them. Check glass curved petal brio pink rosé, 11 by 8 millimeter, 12-piece strand. Very neat. I don't think it'd be a Sam's Beadbox without getting some brios in there. I have no idea how to say this. It's andesine, A-N-D-E-S-I-N-E. Hopefully I said that correctly. Faceted round, and it's 3.3 millimeter, 7.5 inch strand. These are neat. Very cool. These, I feel like, go well with the theme. Those are gorgeous. And then last but not least, check glass fairy tale flower, antique red amber mix with copper. 11 millimeters, 8 pieces. These are gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. They're actually way prettier in real life. These would go really well with some carnelian. Actually, just opened another box and they go really well with these beads. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's funny. Like, I don't see me using any of these together. I love this box. I love it. But like, I have an idea for a bracelet with this. I have an idea for something with this outside of this box. I have an idea for something with this outside of the box. This is the first time where I'm like, I don't really know that I want to make something with the box contents. I have something like an idea for that, but not necessarily within the confines of the box. Ooh. Okay, I think what I'll do is just leave that. This video is just the unboxing, and then I'll come back later on using some of these in different ways. And that's also something I'm going to be doing for the next few months, is just doing simple unboxings so you guys can see the beads faster, see my opinion faster, and get your hands on them if that's something you want to do, because tutorials take a very long time, not just to plan them out, but to make things and to film it and edit. So I just feel like I haven't been getting as many videos out because of the time constraints. I love this box. If you want to subscribe to Sam's Bead Box, check out the link in the description and use coupon code Turquoise so you can save $2 off, or I'm sorry, so you can save $5 off your first box. Like I said, my favorite things are definitely the strand, this flower. Really loved the creativity in these checkerboards, and I really love that. So, oh, and this rose. So, leave me a comment. Like, what do you think I should make? What would you like to see? Oh, and I forgot about these. These are so gorgeous. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Bye-bye.
Hi, Munchkin. Hi, you sleepy? You're always sleepy. Yeah.